So friends, I am going to show you about the products, that how you can find your products when you have completed your store on Shopify. As you are seeing that I have made my store on Shopify. So for the proof that whether my store is on Shopify or not, then you can see here the symbol of the Shopify. So this is the symbol of the Shopify because I have on my admin panel. If you are seeing the full screen, then this is that you are seeing that I have on this. It means that I have on my admin panel. That's why you are seeing this Shopify symbol here on my store. So 1 minute friends. So when you will complete your store on Shopify, then you will see the product like this. So and this is the product that I have listed on my Shopify. So don't think that I have listed these products manually. I have done this by overload, which know everyone. So this is my store, and this is the Shopify admin panel, which I have shown you already. If you are the beginner in the Shopify, then I tell you that Shopify is a hosting place where you can find your hosting and make your website, especially drop shipping website, very easily. So in order to log in your Shopify, you will just go to the Google and click on the Shopify login. After clicking here, you will come like the Shopify login, and after here you will put your store address, which is in my case this is lexcott.myshopify.com, and after clicking here you have to put your email address and password and OTP, because if you have on your two-factor authorization, which is 6-digit OTP program, then a 6-digit number will come on your mobile, and after putting your email address, password, 6-digit OTP, then you will reach on here, which I tell you already, but I remind you just here. So here you see in the left panel. If you are not understanding that what is the left panel, because they are the some person who are not very fit, so I tell you, okay, this is the left panel. So this is the left panel of the Shopify, and this is the setting, which is the very down of the left panel. Left side down, there is the setting, and this is the item that which is missed by the generally people, that they don't see this. So I am marking this so that everyone could see this. So if you will click on the products, okay, if you will click on the products, just wait, okay, then you will see the all listed products, means what you have listed your store, then you will see all the products. So I have listed these products on my Shopify store, especially bracelet. I have used a lot of the bracelet, as you are seeing. a lot of the things you can do from here. You can check. If you'll check, then some option will be come. You will check there. Look here. So here is the option also. You can check all the items simultaneously by just clicking here. Look here, I show you. So this is the place. If you will click here, then you will check all products in front of. There is a box, and all boxes is checked automatically if you will check here. Here are the boxes. If you are not seeing, here are the sub boxes in front of the product, left side. I am showing you because if you will join many kinds of the okay, if you will join many kinds of the tutorials or many kinds of the classroom program, they don't tell you all the things because they think that all students or person know about this, so they don't tell you. But I am telling you each and everything, and which and absolutely free. I am not taking any kinds of the money. So when you hover this, as you are seeing that when I am going to cursor, when cursor is going here, and that is showing the select all products. It is automatically showing select all products. So it is automatic guiding you that what you have to do. I click here, and after clicking here you will edit your product in bulk. That is here option edit product. As you are seeing, this is edit product. This is the action. In action there is also drop menu, means you can also do this. All item on this page are selected. So if you will suppose that I am not selecting all product, I am selecting one product. If you will select one product, then edit product option, edit products option, and action option will also come for a single product too. So don't think that if you are selecting all the products, then only edit products and action option will come. It is also available for a single products, because ultimately if someone want to edit the single product, then they can do it. So here is the action. Click on the action, mark products available, mark products and unavailable, delete selected products, means you can delete this product. Add tags, means you can add tags in your product so that people know, so that this is the SEO programs, means adding tags is some kinds of the SEO programs. You remove tags, you can also remove tags. Add to collection, means collection is nothing but it is a types of the category. Means, as you know, if you are making the website, you make health website and kitchen and health, kitchen, wearing accessories, means men's accessories, women's accessories, kids toy. So all the kinds of the variety, means category you makes. So instead of the category, it is written here as a collection. So collection is nothing but it is a category. If you have made the website in your Blogger, then there is a category. I am not talking about the WordPress, I am talking about the blogspot.com, which is the Google. So here is the remove from collection, means you can also remove the product from any collection that you want. So, and this is the edit product. I am clicking the edit product to show you something. So here, okay, just wait. Sorry friends, I was hungry, so I went to take something. So here you are seeing the price. This is the price. Okay, I am making it something. This is the price and this is the compared price. So compared price is $34. I have made it just for demo, and you can put it as per your choice. Not for your choice, but it should be as per business purpose. Means you should put the compare price so that you could your business should run good. So here is a $23, that is the original price, and $34 is the compared price. I think you should add some 40 to 50% in your original price, that is the margin, so that people could purchase your products and popularity of your store could mount better. So you can change it as a compare price and original price. As you are seeing that here is the original price is changed because I have changed it recently. I am showing you how you can do this. Just click here and a box will appear. As you are seeing, this is the blue box, and you can change what you like. That I have recently done $24.55, and compare price you can change at as a 54.28. So, and finally you will click save. So this is changed. Means if you go here, then you will find this. Before this, I am telling you what is the compared price. So I will tell you in my next video. So because I am tired now, so till then you should subscribe my channel so that you could see all the kinds of the videos, tutorials related with the Shopify and other website program. So till then, goodbye.